Have you ever wondered what peas look like when they're growing? Here they are, 4 pea plants. There's a new pea plant that's nice and fresh and green. Here's an old pea plant that might be a little bit past its prime, but has some good beans that are ready to harvest. And 2 pea plants that are right in between. It looks like some of these peas are ready to harvest and there's others that need more time. I'm going to harvest 2 pea pods, one that's brown and older like this, and a newer one that looks just about perfect. Open it up and see what it looks like inside. This pea pod is dry and brown. I really don't know what the peas are like inside. Are they dried out or are the peas still nice and plump? I really don't know. And here's a sample of the peas that look like they're in perfect condition, although I won't know until I actually cut the pods open and see what it looks like inside. I'll start with the dry pea pod. I'm gonna rip the tip open, try not to squish the peas inside, and see what it looks like. They still look nice and green. I thought they might be brown as well, but it looks like these peas are still perfectly good to eat. So that's good to know. I really didn't know before this test whether or not I had let them dry out for too long. It looks like those will be perfectly edible. Now I'll open up the fresh green pea pod, and it opens up neatly. You pull it and it's just like a string that opens the side of the pod. And these peas look a little bit bigger and juicier, but not a whole lot different from the drier peas. And you can see they're still attached. There's a connection to the pod. That's where the water and the nutrients are delivered when they are growing. So this was a nice experiment to be able to test the dry pea pod and the green pea pod to see that the peas are about the same.